Market daily visualization for July 22nd, 2026. We will adjust price, minor loss, adjust the daily range, adjust the daily high, the daily low. We're going to flip the PSAR on the RL10 today. The RL30 PSAR adjusts. The 30-day SMA is adjusted a little bit. There we are. 5-day look back, 5-day low, 10-day look back, 10-day low, 10-period regression line is adjusted, 30-day range, 30-day low remains in place, 20-period regression line lagged by 10 days is adjusted, 10-day high gets adjusted, 30-day high is adjusted, 150-day look back, daily range reference, 120-period regression line lagged by 30 days. This is a market that has been slipping up, and now starting to roll over. That's the premonition.